Today, we are making Korean soybean paste stew. By the time you finish watching this, you will be able to make an incredible bowl with a simple recipe. Let's get started! First, pour 600 milliliters of water into a pot. Add the seafood broth pack and bring it to a boil. Always add the seafood broth pack to cold water, so you can get the most flavor out of it. Now, let's prep the ingredients. Do not slice the green onion too thin. You will lose the texture and the soup will not look as good. Cut it into big pieces. Next, the onion. Slice it into spoon-sized pieces so you can grab it in one scoop with the broth. Now the spiced chili. Remove the stem and slice it thin. It boosts the flavor, so do not skip it. No chili, no authentic taste. Finally, the dubu. Cut it into cubes. You eat this stew with a spoon, so this size works perfectly. Once the pot with the seafood broth pack comes to a boil, reduce to low heat and simmer for exactly 10 minutes. If you cook seafood broth pack too long, it can turn bitter. Do not let it boil for too long. After 10 minutes, take out the seafood broth pack. Add the soybean paste and stir until it fully dissolves. Look at that broth color. It already feels like the stew is done, right? Now it is time to make the stew more filling. Add the green onion, and ground beef. Do not forget to break up the ground beef so it does not clump together. Then add the minced garlic, fish sauce, and chili flakes. Stir well to combine. Then add the spiced chili. Let it simmer over medium heat for 5 minutes to cook all the ingredients through. This is the final step. After 5 minutes, add all the tofu and simmer on low heat for another 5 minutes. The extra 5 minutes make the tofu soft and tender. If you boil it on high heat, the stew will reduce and turn salty, so keep it on low. See that rich color? Your incredible Korean soybean paste stew is ready. Turn off the heat, and now all that is left is to enjoy the true Korean flavor. Enjoy! Wow! This is truly the best Doenjang Jjigae.